I lost $500 in one day because of mistake number 3. Don't be like me. These 5 mistakes destroy Bitcoin beginners every single day. Let's go. In the next 4 minutes, you'll learn the 5 deadly mistakes that beginners make and exactly how to avoid them. Mistake number 1, the rookie move. Mistake number 2, the trust fall. Mistake number 3, the lazy text. Mistake number 4, the panic button. Mistake number 5, the blabbermouth. Let's dive in. Mistake number 1, leaving your Bitcoin on an exchange. This is like leaving your wallet at Starbucks and hoping nobody takes it. If the exchange gets hacked, poof, your Bitcoin is gone. Remember, not your keys, not your coins. For amounts over $1,000, get a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor. It's like a safe for your crypto. Mistake number 2, falling for scams. If someone promises to double your Bitcoin, they're lying. Elon Musk is not giving away free Bitcoin on Twitter, that Nigerian prince. He doesn't need your help. And if you get a DM saying congratulations, you won Bitcoin, nope. Delete it. Block them. Run away. Here's the golden rule. If it sounds too good to be true, ITIS. Mistake number 3, not using two-factor authentication, or 2FA. This is like leaving your front door wide open in a sketchy neighborhood. Hackers love people who skip 2FA. You're basically saying, come on in. Setting up 2FA takes 2 minutes. Losing your Bitcoin takes 2 seconds. Use Google Authenticator or Authy, not SMS. Why not SMS? Because phone numbers can be hijacked. Don't make it easy for hackers. Lock that door. Mistake number 4, panic selling. Bitcoin drops 10%. You freak out and sell everything. Then it goes back up 20%. Congratulations, you played yourself. Bitcoin is volatile. It goes up, it goes down. That's normal. HODL stands for hold on for dear life. Don't check the price every 5 minutes. You'll give yourself a heart attack. Think long term. Zoom out. Breathe. Mistake number 5, sharing your private keys. Would you give a stranger your bank password? No? Then don't share your private keys either. Your private keys equal your Bitcoin. If someone gets them, they own your Bitcoin. There's no undo button, no customer service. It's gone. Not your girlfriend, not your best friend, not even your mom. Nobody gets your keys. Write them down, keep them safe, and shut up about it. All right, let's recap the 5 deadly mistakes. Mistake number 1, leaving Bitcoin on exchanges. Get a hardware wallet for $1,000 plus. Mistake number 2, falling for scams. If it's too good to be true, it IS. Mistake number 3, not using 2FA. Turn it on right now. Mistake number 4, panic selling. HODL through the storm. Mistake number 5, sharing your private keys. Keep them secret. Keep them safe. Avoid these 5 mistakes, and you're already ahead of 90% of beginners. Your wallet will thank you. If this video just saved your wallet, smash that like button. Subscribe for more crypto tips that actually don't suck. Drop a comment. Which mistake were you about to make? And hey, grab your coffee. We'll see you in the next one.